Hello, students. In this chapter, the Union Legislature, today I will teach you about parliamentary and presidential forms of government. In representative democracies, the two major systems of governments are the parliamentary system and the presidential system. India follows the parliamentary system of government. A parliamentary system of government means that the executive branch of government has the direct or indirect support of the parliament. This support is usually shown by a vote of confidence. The relationship between the executive and the legislature in a parliamentary system is called responsible government. In the parliamentary system, the head of the state, the president, in the case of India, is elected indirectly and their role they play is nominal, meaning they had no real power. Actual power rests in the hands of the executive, which consists of the Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers. The executive is chosen by the legislature and is answerable to it. In this system, each of the organs of the government is accountable to the other two organs. The power of the executive is thus held in check by the legislature and the judiciary. The legislature can, if needed, dissolve the executive. A presidential system or the presidential form of government is a system of government where a head of government is also head of state and leads an executive branch that is separate from the legislative branch. United States, for instance, has a presidential system. In the presidential system, on the other hand, the executive is headed by the president, who is elected directly by the people. The president therefore has great power. The three organs of the government are completely independent of each other, and none of them can dissolve any of the other organs. In the presidential form of government, president is elected for certain years and cannot be removed earlier except through impeachment. In the presidential form of government, the executive is not responsible to the legislature. Presidential government can be democratic type of government, where the president is the symbol of the country and runs the day-to-day operation of the country. President does not make laws. This is done by the legislature, and the example is United States of America. In this diagram, you can see the differences between parliamentary and presidential form of government, and you can see what is common between them. The difference is in parliamentary form of government, Prime Minister, leader, heads parliament, and the law-making body. Parliament selects the Prime Minister. Prime Minister can dissolve the Parliament. Parliament members can vote to elect a new Prime Minister. May have a head of state with little power, king or queen. But in presidential form of government, legislature, law-making body only. President is elected by the citizens. President is the only leader. Legislature and president serve a fixed amount of time. President does not make laws. President is the head of the state and chief executive. And what is common between the two is citizens elect lawmakers. Leader heads the military and runs the government. Thank you, students, for watching the video.